Mysterious ghost lantern lights in Summerville, South Carolina, may be linked to seismic activity. These earthquake lights appear as glowing spheres or sparks and lack a fully understood mechanism. Seismologist Susan E. Hough links the lights to shallow earthquakes, releasing gases like radon or methane. Reports of the lights coincided with nearby earthquakes in the late 1950s. Sparks from abandoned railway tracks may ignite these gases, especially on misty nights. Further research is needed to confirm this theory and explain similar phenomena globally.